Credit card debt is a huge issue in the United States, with nearly $1 trillion owed back to credit card companies by Americans. Joining us today with ways to avoid credit card problems is attorney Bill Vinsko with Vinsko Associates of Wilkes-Barre for this week's PA Law on PA Live segment. Bill, how are you this week?
Very good. Good to see you, Dave.
Good to see you, too. And, you know, the first issue to consider, I guess, is the credit card company versus the collection company issue. It is possible that a credit card could take your debt and head it to a collection company.
Absolutely. After you have had a credit card that you have not paid for a while, a lot of times you'll start getting calls from a collection agency. That is not the credit card company, and there is a difference.
So you recommend if you get letters, certified letters, court dates, these are things that you want to pay attention to, and that's kind of the first way to get going here to avoid some serious issues. Exactly.
You do not want to ignore any type of court date, and of course if you get a certified letter, that's when the date and the clock starts running. So what you want to do is you want to acknowledge them, you want to go to any court hearing, whether it be a magistrate or whether it be in the Court of Common Pleas, and make sure you defend yourself. If you need a lawyer, of course, you can give one a call.
And Bill, as far as anything that you may sign, it's always good to ask that company or credit card company, collection company, to give you a copy of that signed agreement.
Exactly, because when you open a credit card, you sign an agreement with that credit card company. You did not sign an agreement with the collection agency. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you ask for that agreement, because if the collection agency is saying that you owe it to them, you really owe it to the credit card company. So this is a way that you could protect yourself.
Bill, is it possible that there could be some confusion there between the collection company and the credit card company?
Absolutely. That is why you want to ask for that contract, and when you get it and you receive it, then you can look and see what the name is on there. If it's the collection company, then you know it's a valid contract. If it's the credit card company, you know it's not.
Bill, I've always heard that you can actually, you know, if your debt gets out of hand, you can make a settlement. The issue to consider here is that payment is something you can handle, right?
Absolutely. When you have an agreement with somebody, it's going to be a new contract, a new agreement. So what you want to do is make sure you can live up to that agreement. If not, they can take you to court and they're going to have standing to do it. So protect yourself by making only agreements that you can handle.
Bill, for our viewers that have questions about credit issues, how can they reach you?
You can contact us anytime at our law office at 970-9700, on Facebook at Vinsko Associates, or on our website at Vinsko.com.
All right, pretty cool. And Bill, for those heading to the St. Patrick's Parade in Wilkes-Barre this weekend, you're going to be there.
Absolutely. We're going to be on the reviewing stand. I'm emceeing, and I want to just say hello to Greg and Drew, who are very excited about Elmo and Grover walking around today. They're big Sesame Street fans. So
yeah, big stars here on the show today.
Absolutely.
Right?
I'm
kind of
proud to be here.
Putting you down a few pegs.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely.
All right, attorney Bill Vinsko with our PA Live segment. Thanks so much for being here this week.
Thanks. Good to see you.
All right, let's